Proceed, Your Honor.
And are you Carlos Vasquez Saldana?
Yes.
All right. Oh, you can remain seated. And just so both parties know, I don't take it as a sign of disrespect, but whenever you're making your objections, you can make them seated. It makes it easier for the court reporter to hear. And if you need to approach the witness for some reason, I know you're just not doing it just to do it. So you can feel free to approach the witnesses and you don't have to ask the court's permission.
Thank you, Judge. So, without seatbelts, it's just a habit.
Now, I know it takes a lot to stop doing that. All right, we have an interpreter here. If you can raise your right hand for me, please. Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, you can lower your hand if you'll state your name for the record. All right, Mr. Saldana, all of the documents that I'm going to review with you are in English. Were those documents explained to you in the Spanish language?
Yes.
I mean, did you go over the documents with your attorney?
Yes.
All right. And counsel, do you speak Spanish?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you speak Spanish fluently?
Enough to communicate with my clients, Your Honor.
All right. And were you able to explain these documents to your client in Spanish?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Saldana, did you review the document entitled Jury Waiver Trial Before the Court?
Yes.
And did you understand it? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Right. So did you understand that you are waiving your right to a jury trial? You're telling the court by signing this that you want me as judge to hear the evidence in this case and make a decision on whether you're guilty or not guilty. Do you understand?
Yes.
And did you intend to have me listen to the evidence and make a decision on whether you're guilty or not guilty?
Hello.
Of course.
The court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Counsel, have you received all of the discovery in this case, and did you review it with your client?
Yes.
Wait, did you catch that? First, he says no contest, then suddenly not guilty. That's a major shift. Sometimes defendants don't fully understand the difference, and it can completely change the course of a case.
Oh, I gave it to you. Oh,
Delegate.
yeah, that's what happened.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
No, it's not a problem.
And counsel, I didn't read it or anything.
No, you would have fell asleep.
All right, we're back on the record. State, are you prepared to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor.
And defense, are you prepared
Your
to
Honor.
proceed? All right, State, do you wish to read the indictment, or counsel, does your client waive the reading of the indictment?
We waived the reading, Your Honor.
All right, then Mr. Saldana, to the indictment, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
No.
No. Yeah, we're done.
Not guilty.
All right. And so your attorney has explained to you the difference, counsel. I'm just saying this for the record. Your attorney has explained to you the difference between a no contest plea and a guilty plea?
Yes.
All right. So by pleading guilty, that tells the court that you wish to proceed with a jury trial. Is that I'm sorry, with a bench trial. Is that
Guilty.
correct?
Pleading not guilty.
I'm sorry, pleading not guilty. That's telling, I'm sorry, I have 6 things being handed to me. All right. So by pleading not guilty, you're telling the court that you wish to proceed with this bench trial. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right. Well, I know that yes is not Spanish.
The officer notes the car didn't pull over right away. Now, was the driver buying time to hide something, or just nervous? Let me know in the comments. Would you keep driving to find a safe spot, or pull over immediately?
Your case in chief, but we're doing things a little bit differently if there is no objection.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right. State, you may call your first witness.
The state calls Officer Johnston.
Hello. All right. If you'll, there should be a square microphone. If you'll make sure that you put that somewhere in your shirt, it's for the court reporter to hear. And could you raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I swear.
All right, you can have a seat and make sure you keep your voice up so that I can hear. All right, state, you may proceed.
Please state your full name for the record.
Yale Johnston.
And how are you presently employed?
I'm presently employed with SAPD.
How long have you been with the San Antonio? Well, does SAPD stand for the San Antonio Police Department?
Yes, ma'am.
How long have you been employed with SAPD?
2 years.
What type of training did you undergo to become a police officer?
I did the San Antonio Police Academy.
How long is that?
7 months.
What did you learn in that academy?
I learned Code of Criminal Procedure, Penal Code, Traffic Code, and then also identifying narcotics.
Were you a certified peace officer?
Yes, ma'am.
And what is your current title and assignment with the San Antonio Police Department?
I'm currently a patrol officer stationed at the downtown dog watch sub.
And is dog watch the overnight shift?
Yes, ma'am.
What are your duties as a patrol officer with the San Antonio Police Department?
To enforce traffic code, also to take calls.
Okay. Were you employed as a police officer with the San Antonio Police Department on January 2nd and January 3rd of 2025?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you have the same title and assignment on that day as you do today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And on that day, were you in uniform?
Yes, ma'am.
And were you in a marked patrol unit?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you recall the SAPD case number associated with the case that we're here for today?
Not off the top of my head.
Would it help you refresh or did you write a report associated with this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Would it help you refresh your memory if you had a copy of that?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you recognize that document?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is the author of that document?
I am.
And is it a fair and accurate copy of your report?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if you refresh your memory, just please don't read from it. Can you please state the SAPD case number associated with this call?
Yes, it's going to be SAPD 25001284.
Okay. And so on January 2nd in the late night hours, were you on patrol on that day?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you conduct a traffic stop?
Yes, ma'am.
And what was the location of that traffic stop?
It's going to be at the intersection of